In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the message not sending in Snapchat. So first, go to your phone's settings, and then over here, go to General, iPhone Storage, and then scroll up until you see the search bar, and then search for Snapchat. Click on it, and then click on Offload App. This will clear the cache basically, free up the storage used by the app, and just wait for it. You'll have to reinstall the app after this. So once it's done, you just click reinstall app to reinstall it. So once it's done reinstalling, now you can exit out of the settings app and you can go back to Snapchat, and now you can try it. If it still doesn't work, then it has to be a problem from your Wi-Fi. So just go to the settings app again and make sure, or click on Wi-Fi, and then just disconnect from your Wi-Fi and reconnect, and then after that restart your phone by holding the power button, and after that this should work for you and the message should send. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.